Welcome everyone, welcome back to our Pepe video update. 4 to 5 more days left for the signals to be closed for June entries. Message me on Twitter for that one. Right, back into the Pepe video update right now. We have Pepe that is still trying to maintain this line, and today's going to be really important for Pepe because in my opinion there's probably a possibility that you perhaps took some stops out, and let's talk about it. Okay, I've given you this one support, second support, third support, and this support. So today is an update that is going to focus on this support only. The resistance is gonna actually handle itself. So support at the moment is something that we have to really keep an eye on. And if you go into the 4-hour time frame, it's negative, quite negative. If you go back into the daily, there are a little bit of hope and not as negative as you might think it is. So if I look at it on the daily and I try to properly draw it to perfection here, you see it's not as scary as it might look, but on the 4-hour time frame it's actually as scary as it is. Now if I zoom in back into this date, 3rd of May, and we talk about 3rd of May, you got a very nice good hold of support right there. You got one touch right over here, and let's keep moving on and on and on. And now you have this right over here, and that is a support that is really holding up to the T. Another support now is this right over here. If you look at this candle, and if you look at how that candle on the daily time frame closed, the body is above this support line right over there. So on the daily, it's looking good. We still are holding support, which is a good thing. Now this candle, however, can determine whether this is meaningful or not meaningful, which means today is an important day. And if you end up coming down and taking this low, game over. I personally can tell you from my experience, that's it. You're moving really down. From there, it's a move all the way to maybe 10K from 14K that you're looking now. And if things go as planned, we're looking for a move all the way to the upside to this resistance line right over there, and touch that resistance line, and then maybe drop down in the future again and lose this trend line absolutely for good. Or you cross that trend line and you try to move up once again for Pepe. I just want to look at the weekly and see how the weekly looks like. Now you do have 3 more days and 15 hours. So let's say on the daily you start to lose that line right over there. As I told you, that if you try to lose and take out that yesterday's daily candle and you go below that level, then my friend, you're going to be looking to go really down. And if you end up coming down and you fill this wick, I do think you're going to be looking to fill that wick, because that's where you have nearly the technical target out of this big symmetrical triangle. You're going to be coming down here again, nearly 10K and the 9K area. Now if you do something like that and this wick you make a very big red candle, then you're putting in the first red candle, the second red candle, and another big third red candle all the way to the downside like this, and you are going to be putting in 3 black crows combined on the weekly time frame, and you're going to be moving even way more lower to 5,000 levels. That's what it is. Yeah, you heard me right. So that's pretty much it for this Pepe update at the moment, and I'm going to see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.